Please remember that when we are measuring unemployment, unemployment is measured as a proportion of the labor force, and because we are talking about the labor force, it is not that the entire population consists of the labor force. There is a distinction between the two. First, we have the entire population, but then we have to consider the working age population within the total population. Now, different countries have different concept of working age population. In US, anybody having 16 years and or above is considered as a part of the working age population. Now in India, the working age population concept is applicable to people who are between the age group of 15 to 59. The NSSO gives most of the unemployment rates for the age group 15 to 59, but it also gives an unemployment rate for taking all persons in the economy into account. Please keep this distinction in mind. And from the entire population, after we have got the working age population, we need to figure out from this working age population who are the people who were available for work. Now, who are available for work, it is a question of personal preference. Now if suppose somebody is doing a full-time studies, though he is a part of the working age population, then also we will not consider him as a part of the labor force. Likewise, some other categories of people who are considered as not part of the labor force. One peculiar aspect of the labor force concept in US is the concept of discouraged workers. We are talking about the concept of discouraged workers in US, people who were available for work in the last 1 year but who are no more actively searching for a job in the last 4 weeks because they feel adequate opportunities are not available for them. As they have not been actively searching for a job in the last 4 weeks, they are considered to be outside the labor force. However, it is a matter of question as to how prudent it is to categorize such people as outside the labor force. In fact, they are the people who are unemployed and they need help more than any other person. Um, so that is one issue that needs to be kept in mind. There is another issue that needs to be kept in mind when we are measuring the unemployment numbers is that the way we are measuring unemployment, we do not make a distinction between whether somebody is employed full-time or part-time. So whether you are working full-time or part-time, you are categorized as employed. So the extent of underemployment may not be visible from the headline numbers because it is not making a distinction between the full-time and part-time employment. Because we are not considering discouraged workers as a part of the labor force and we are not distinguishing between part-time and full-time employment, the unemployment numbers that is reported, it may not be an accurate reflection of what is happening in the labor market. And we will see through different examples in the classroom that how the unemployment, how under different situations the unemployment rate may not be reflecting the actual happenings in the labor market, as far as whether labor market is becoming tight or there is a lot of slack in the labor market.